Back him up! Can I film here?
I want to run past the owners of the house.
I'm recording right now, but it's pointing at the ground. So until they say otherwise.
Cool. They said that they're on the street. What are you on 7th? We literally are like in front of your like actual door to your house.
Damn, dude, how are we getting in here? Should I show his license plate?
Get his license plate out.
Oh, that's the car! That's that car! Damn, dude, he's making me sit, bitch. What's up?
I just really want you to have like the best vlogging angle for everything, you know?
Okay, well, this is a thing. This is literally a thing that's happening. I don't know. This is a 7-Eleven. That's Dan. Those are children.
They weren't here before. Let me finish.
Look at this framed up, no trespassing, loitering. I cannot believe this. Dan left his cigarettes in Long Beach and we're all the way in Pomona at the school skating. And he's really, really pissed off now. I tried to offer him the vape and he said, no, I don't want to suck that robot dick. When the filmer's better than you at skating. Get us back! Dude, that was fucking.
It wasn't even that bad. Was it?
No, it was so good. Do it! Oh! Woohoo! That felt so good. Dude, you caught the shit out of it. I'm literally standing in the wrong fucking spot. God, are you all right? Dude, just fucking do it. You seriously got it. Back him up. Wow. I mean, dude, yeah. You did it down a double set. That counts. That's way too fast, isn't it? That is way too fast. There's no excuse not to do this. All right, we got it. Fucking damn it, dude. God, you fucking idiot. God, you fucking idiot. God, you fucking piece of shit. Thank you. I appreciate it. Oh, that's so good. Wow, thank you. I'm fucking dead. I don't know. This video is off to a very sporadic and fast start, but I just landed a trick down a gap. I don't fucking skate gaps ever. Should I save that? I finally fucking skated a real street gap and did an actual fucking trick. I feel very accomplished and proud today. Really, you have to work your ass off for it. Well, at least I do. There's a security guard right there, blocking the gate of the school that we want to skate. We're waiting for him to leave so we can hop this fence right here.
You're like Al from Home Improvement.
Oh, my arm.
Am I filming? Yeah.
Oh shit, that hurt so much more than fucking skating earlier. Oh god, you good? No way, dude, that was fucking sick. Gang gang. So sick. Becker's been hitting the fucking vape all goddamn days and asking me every single hour, like once every hour on the dot for the fucking clouds.
He wants the clout and the clouds.
Yeah, he wants Becker secretly wants the clout, but he loves the clouds. All right, let's get a fat rip. All right,
Let's get a fat heel flip.
hit it, bro.
Oh, shit. I'm pestering him to get Michael.
Bro, it's fucking raining. Want to see a sick trick? Here, take this. Take this, dude. I'm gonna do a sick trick. Here, come on. Let's film. Put your hand on. Let's go. What are we doing?
Yeah, man.
Another trick. So let me show you a trick. Come here.
Get out! He's doing real tricks. He's legitimately filming tricks. I'm stealing his anime run.
Okay. We're packing up.
He was watching on the cameras the whole time, just waiting for him to leave.
He was just making sure that he wasn't trying to fake a Bigfoot back because his homie was trying to fake a Bigfoot.
I love you. Come here, give me a kiss. I touched.
Did you?
Yeah.
Are you positive?
No, look at it. They already landed it, but I reverse recorded it. He's sad. Small slamming capsule coming very soon, sometime in November, and the shirts at Program also coming sometime in November. Also pants coming sometime in November. Keep you all posted.